All right, guys, we are back again at Brandon's house. We have a little surprise for you guys. It's been a while since we recorded a video, but
so as many of you guys may know, if you guys follow me on TikTok, I bought another Miata.
Yes. So we're gonna be fixing this thing up on the channel and on his TikTok. So make sure to go follow him on there. I'm sure most of you guys do already. So yeah, today we are going to be installing a soft top on this Miata. Right now it has a hard top. Brandon's gonna be taking this hard top off of this car for his Miata because that's what he bought the car for.
Okay, so funny story. I messaged the dude. I was like, "Oh, will you sell me a hard top for $1,000?" He's like, "No." I'm like, "Okay, come in and go pick up the car."
So yeah, we're gonna be working on this thing today, and hopefully in the next couple videos, this will be a little project for the time being. So yeah, this soft top new with the rain rails is like $360, I think, on Mas Miata. So we actually lucked out, found it on Facebook Marketplace for around $200. So make sure to check Facebook Marketplace. It's always a good place to shop for parts that you need. And Brandon is getting started.
Take the seats out first,
yeah,
just so it's easier to work with.
Yeah.
You're supposed to take these off as well to access
There's
the
so much
bolts on the
effort.
frame. Yep. So to remove the seats, it's 14 millimeter, 8 of them for both seats.
We did this for the roll bar.
Yep.
If you haven't watched that video already, the roll bar video that we installed on Brandon's actual Miata, that one was, I don't want to say fun, but it was
not a fun.
It was a pain in the ass, but definitely go watch that, check that out. And we're gonna get started on taking the frame off of the car. Also, something really cool about this Miata. Check out what it still has. It still has the original anti-theft system stickers. These are really hard to find. So while Brandon is taking the seats out of this thing, I thought I'd give you guys a little update on some merch and what we're doing very, very soon. So first of all, Tito merch, that will be actually posted on the website pretty soon. You'll probably see it up on the website when this video drops. That's our goal. We are also working on a few little merch items that we will have on the website hopefully in the next month, and then we'll also be restocking those Slanico embroidered hoodies and t-shirts, so stay tuned for that. All right, so the seats are out, the trim pieces are also out. So now I'm bolting the fucking frame.
Yep.
Everything is on fire right now. Brandon, after this video, people are gonna want you to start an OnlyFans. How did you just not even react to that?
Oh my god, this is hot.
There she is.
Let's go ahead and move the stuff up.
All right, yeah.
Just lift the frame. Yep. So it's too hot, and I got lazy.
This man's recording TikToks. All right, so let's get this soft top off of this frame. All right, so peel back the trim pieces. They're gonna be a couple Phillips. These Phillips heads are the ones that hold on these rails for the trim pieces, and they also hold on the soft top on the edge. So once we have those off, we can start peeling it back, and then we'll take it off of the frame bars in the middle. So we have all of the Phillips head screws out, and you can start peeling the soft top back. And then you're gonna remove the little shrouds off of these metal bars. I'm just gonna pull everything back off of the frame. Right, so there's a little guide wire on the side, got that out, and now it's off the frame.
Is free.
Yes.
Now we're gonna do everything in reverse.
Yes.
But doing everything in reverse is like 30 times harder.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna place this down
and just kind of throw the skeleton on it.
Yeah.
All right.
This is a lot easier than I thought so far.
Yeah, I feel like that putting this on is gonna be the hardest part. So let's get started on this. We're gonna try to figure this thing out. Gonna put the camera down for a second and kind of plan our attack on this thing. And we'll come back when we've figured out how to slowly but surely get everything on the frame again. So the little like side pocket where the guide wire is supposed to go, this thing, on the new soft top, for some reason it's like sealed shut. So what we've resorted to is a coat hanger. We straightened out the coat hanger and we are pushing it through the top and pulling the wire through the hole. And then now that we have the guide wire back on, we can start wrapping the soft top around the frame. We got it wrapped around and we got the plastic piece that holds it in up under there. And now we are going to start wrapping the sides around where all the screws were and hopefully get this soft top on pretty quickly.
Wasn't too bad.
Was not too bad at all. You just gotta, you just kind of have to work with it a little bit. Pull it, bend it,
Bop it.
bop
Twist
it.
Pull it.
So now that we have the front of it all screwed down and tightened, we're gonna start working on the sides and putting on the rails and weather seal pieces.
Yep.
And yeah, so let's start doing that. Brendan's already started. It's so close. So close, but so far. So we got the rails on. We got that piece on the top kind of on. I think it's stretched as much as we could. So we got all the metal rails on that hold the weather seals on the top. We're starting to put the weather seals back on. I think we're missing a couple screws, which we had just realized, but we're gonna do our best. Only these two in the front are held in by screws, and the rest are just held in by these metal rails. So we're gonna finish putting these weather strippings on and get the rest of the top on. All we have to do really is these middle bars now. So let's get this thing done. So we finished putting the covers on the rails to hold it on, and now I think we are ready to put it back on the car and put the last Velcro rail cover, because the two other ones aren't Velcro. It's a pain in the ass. Alright, so we are gonna bolt this back in just like we unbolted it, and then we're gonna stretch the back out and bolt the back of the top onto the car. Once again, just like how we took it off, but opposite.
Remember, if it doesn't work, persuasion tool.
Alright, now that the persuasion tool has been used, the top is basically on. Now all we have to do is put the back of the top back on these bolts back here, and we should be good to go. This whole install has actually been pretty simple, straightforward. We thought it was going to be more of a pain in the ass than it actually was. It's probably going to be more of a pain in the ass if you do it in the winter or if you live somewhere cold, just because we did leave the top out in the sun for a while, so that probably softened the top up a little bit.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Alright guys, so the top is all put back together in the rear, and now we have to loosen the latches so we can pull the top all the way and let it sit in the sun and bake and stretch out. So what we just did is we loosened the latches to pull them out a little bit more, and we are now trying to shove it down. Brandon, hop on top, lay on it, and I'll lash it.
Okay.
Brandon, you comfy? All right, so guys, no, Brandon, you stay there. We're gonna let this bake in the sun.
I'm not baking in the sun with it.
With Brandon sitting on top of it, so it can stretch out.
So close, man.
Yeah. All right, guys. So, like I said, top is all back on. We just gotta let it bake. So, I think we're done for today. We're gonna get everything bolted back up, put back together in the car, just like normal, just like how we did in the roll bar. Oh, yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Don't forget to check out the Slanted Co merch link in the bio. Bio?